Hank AI recently updated the audit log information that is available to you in ClaimMaker, and this video will review those updates. We'll start in the coder view and go to the batch pane in the upper left-hand corner. We have now added the audit log for the actual batch state changes. We currently used to only have the case level state changes, but we have now added the addition of tracking and showing the batch level information as well. So if you're curious about the audit log and kind of what state a batch went through or is in or when it was loaded, you can go and select that batch, select the three dots, click audit log, and now we have the audit log pane open, and you can see there's lots of information going on in here now. And we have the addition of these three buttons at the top, as well as an export option. And for this individual batch, we can see both the batch state changes and case state changes under the all section, which is the default. If we switch to the batch view, we can see there have only been two batch state changes for this particular batch. And then if we go to the case level, we can now see each individual case's state changes as well. So this is giving you that batch level view information. If you wish to drill down on a particular patient, you can still do that from the case pane here. And when you click on a particular user, if you have, or excuse me, a particular patient, if you have this pane open, it's going to automatically switch to showing you just the information for that individual patient. If you do not have that display window open, you can simply select the patient or case, select the three dots in the case pane, select audit logs, and now we're seeing that same information that we saw just a second ago. Just to point out again, you can export the information in this right pane at any time. It's going to export the view that you're looking at. So if you need a batch level, you definitely want to open the audit log from the batch pane and make sure to do your export based on which view you need here. The second update that we have made is actually in the admin view, which will give you a different export view for audit logs. So here you can simply select one or more batches for export, just like you would if you were exporting for billing. But now we will have an additional menu option under here called Export Audit Logs for Selected Batches. And when you export those, these are now available in an Excel format, and you can open these and import them into BI tools to use for reporting on your end. So just a quick recap, we added the batch level states as well as the state changes, as well as the ability to export that view, and gave you the ability to export the view on individual cases. And we've also added an export audit log option in the admin view, so you can select multiple batches at one time for export to view audit logs.